everyone. Hi Capricorns, how you guys doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy and safe, following the rules and guidelines of the government. This is the reading for the month of October 2020. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing guys is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The second most important thing guys is that if you want to enroll for our 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing guys is that if you want a same day reading, I am charging USD 200. So if you wish to book on the same day, you can. And let's check it out what's going on with Capricorns in the month of October 2020. So what you are going through in the month of October. October will be the month for you where you will be into your own energy, where you'll be into your own power. Okay, you will be very authoritative, where you will be very fiery energy. You will do whatever you want to. You will lead the way. Okay, you will be into your own power. Okay, so yeah. Okay, if you follow the same present plan, what will likely be the outcome? If you follow the same plan of being authoritative, what will be the likely outcome? Okay, so if you start being into your own power, there will be few energies. If you are getting the offer, those will be blocked. Like you are getting the offer universally, but universe has blocked your way for getting the offer. Okay, so you need to be careful for the same. Okay, just keep your walls down and just accept the offer which you are going through, or whatever offers you are getting, grab it. Do not be into your leadership quality so much. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so one card for health, career and relationship. One card for health, career and relationship. One card for health, career and relationship. One card for your health, career and relationship. Two cards. Okay, so for few of the Capricorns, relationship is not going on good. Okay, there's juggling between two choices, two connections, two decisions, two directions. Okay, there is a issues happening with the relationship part. Okay, I can see that there, and for some of you of the Capricorns, the karmic cycle has been blocked. Okay, so that's the problem you're going through. Okay, yeah, very bad energy. I think few of the people are into separation also, like 10-20% of the people are into separation, and the rest of you are having troubles with their relationship, who are already married or but separated. Okay, so yeah, and you are dealing with a karmic connection. Okay, right now in the month of October, so that person or that situation is a karmic connection, karmic thing. Okay, that's why these things are happening. Karmic cycle has been blocked, karmic cycle is not being completed yet. Okay, so what you need to focus on to improve this situation, what you need to do to improve this situation. Well, if you're not taking any action towards the person for improving the situation, you need to take an action. You need to keep your walls and guards down, and you need to take an action towards the person. Okay, you are dealing with. Okay, if you are not doing it, then things won't improve. Okay, so yeah. So what your partner feels about you, what your partner feels about you, what your partner thinks about you, what your partner thinks about you. Okay, so your partner thinks about that you are a bit confused. Okay, about this relationship, or whether you want to stay into a relationship or not. They think that you are somewhere confused about this relationship, or somewhere confused about them. Okay, so that what your partner thinks about you. Okay, so let me check it out. The next question, what you need to do in the month of October, what you need to focus on. Okay, so there's some sneaky energy around you, Capricorns. Be careful about that. Someone is trying to use you, someone is trying to take an advantage of you. So be careful about that, okay? So, because there's some devil energy is definitely there, okay? So, yes. Next question. Kindly tell me that what are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears? I'm going to shuffle it again. What are your hopes and fears, Capricorns, in the month of... Okay, your hope is that you have to rebuild again your foundation, your life, your creativity, whatever it is. And your fear is that everything is falling down, like everything should not be falling down, okay? Whatever you have built it, whatever foundation, you don't want to allow it to fall it down, but it has to somewhere, okay? Or it has recently been fallen down, okay? So that's your hope and fear, and now you want to rebuild again. That's your hopes and fears, okay? So what will be the likely outcome? Okay, so whatever disappointments, there will be few disappointments in the month of October when it comes to long-term relationships, long-term commitment, or your finances. So just be careful about it, okay? What will be the likely outcome? There will be happiness, and if there is a third party situation, you need to release the third party situation, okay? To gain that happiness in the month of October, because there is some issues and disappointments will be there related to materialistic world, finances, materialistic world, okay? And few of the disappointments when it comes to your married life, okay? So just be careful about it, and once you release the third party situation and the problems of the third party situation, you will be more happy and successful, okay, in the month of October, okay? So yeah, that's beautiful. Let's check it out, what's going on. Few oracle cards. Okay, so you have to release the third party situation to become happy, okay? Third party can be anything, in-laws, parents, into your third partner, or whatever it is. Third party can be anything, neighbor who is just trying to interfere into your life, okay? So just be careful about it. Third party can be anything who is trying to interfere into your life, okay? You are getting some sort of dreams when it comes to your long-term commitment or wish fulfillment, okay? So do not avoid it, okay? Because that will be your wish fulfillment for sure, okay? So yeah. Okay, so you will be the master of your own creativity, okay? So do not feel bad about it. You will be the master of your own creativity. I am keeping it over here. I am thinking that where should I keep, because then it should be visible to you, right? So yeah, the dream. Next. Okay, so you are getting a lot of maturity about certain situation. You are gaining a lot of clarity about certain things in life, which is very good, okay? Keep it up. You are maturing when it comes to certain decision making, certain situation. You are understanding the situation, okay? So you are just being patient enough about certain things, certain situations, okay? You are just being patient enough, and that's a beautiful thing, okay? You just need to be patient enough. You just need to be, in the month of October, just be patient enough, okay? Do not do something which causes trouble in the month of October, okay? So yes. open your heart chakra. If there's a lot of blockages when it comes to your heart chakra, you need to open it. Okay. Okay. So you will be thinking, contemplating a lot in the month of October. You will be going through a lot of healing and thought process, and thinking a lot about things. Okay, you are going through some spiritual awakening in the month of October, and the doors of the spirits are opening for you in the month of October. That's a beautiful thing. So what will be the universal message in the month of October? What will be the universal messages in the month of October? What will be the universal messages in the month of October? Okay, let me pull out all the 4 cards and then let me tell you what's going on. I like this cards actually. I don't know why. This one my friend ordered and I really liked it. So yeah. Okay, so we have got 2 messages more. The second, the third, and the last one. Okay, so the third one. Beautiful. So let's read it out, what universe needs to tell you in the month of October. The more energy and the intention I bring to my faith, the more fearless and free I am. Okay, so whatever you are doing, do it with faith. You will be fearless. Okay, in the month of October. The second universal message is, I let go of the shadow of the past by seeing someone for the first time with the eyes of love. Wow. So you are just letting go of the past situations, okay, and you are allowing the love into your life in the month of October. And if you are not, then you should allow it, because this is the message universe is trying to give you. The third universal message, I am a spirit having a human experience and I am here to get closer to love. Wow, love is all around for you in the month of October, Capricorns. I surrender to a power greater than me, universal energy. So you are trying to surrender yourself in the month of October to the universal. Why? Because you are going through some spiritual awakening in the month of October. So your gemstone for the month of October and your archangel is Archangel Ariel. Okay, and his message for you is, it is safe for me to shine my light brightly. I'm self-confident. I recognize my self-worth. It is easy for me to set boundaries. My internal brilliance shines. I have the courage to be all that I can be. Wow. Okay, so the message for you is, do you feel like you are fulfilling your soul purpose of life? Do you know what your strengths are or what your strengths are? The message from Archangel Ariel to you is, it's time to become the person you are meant to be. Align yourself with a strong sense of self and actualize your self potential. Live up to your dreams, desires and contracts and radiate your excellence. Okay, so self-love and self-care should be your utmost priority. Why? Because you are going through some major spiritual awakening. So understand yourself better, and because this is the divine awakening which is taking place for you. Okay, for some of you it is already started, for others of you it will be starting in the month of October. Okay, and yeah, the gemstone for the month of October is golden calcite. You can just Google it. It looks like that, golden calcite. Okay, so yeah, Capricorns, I hope you like this October reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Kindly comment down below how did you like the reading or not. And yes, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye, Capricorns.